So we're living out of bags, girl. It's giving bag lady at this point. So girl, we have less than 60 days until we move across the country, which means I am currently packing up everything that I own into a nice pretty bow to try and make this move as seamless as possible, which also means that I am currently living out of bags, okay? Out of my full collection, these are the only items that I will be actually taking cross country with me. So we're living out of bags, girl. It's giving bag lady at this point. I literally downsized and packed up everything that I didn't absolutely need in the next 60 days. Crazy work, crazy work. I won't lie, one of the best parts about this move is that it's forcing me to try and do Project Pan, which is so necessary because I have so many things that are like sitting in my collection that I haven't even touched in so long. Some of it I had to downright just like throw away, but some of it I just forgot that I had, and I haven't actually used it because I forgot that I have it. Let me show you something. This is crazy. Let me show you something. So this massive container, can you see it? Bigger than my head, is just lip gloss. It's just lip gloss. It's just lip gloss, lip liner, and lipstick. Insane. Do I need all of this? Probably not. So yeah, this whole transition is causing me to reevaluate what I really need and what I've just been hoarding for no reason, essentially. So yeah, we love to see it. Pretty sure I just overdid it with this skin tint too, but I was just so excited to reach for it. I haven't used it in so long. The last time we moved, it was just such a turbulent move. And this time we are committed to making it as smooth as possible and as stress-free as possible. And, you know, making it as convenient as we can so that it doesn't become a source of stress for us, because honestly, nobody has time. Every weekend these days is honestly just like hustle and bustle of how much can we get done before Monday morning. So we've started packing in all of our smaller items. I'm still going through my closet because I want to donate a lot of stuff, and the things that I can't donate, I'll probably need to just like outright get rid of them, because I do have a bunch of stuff in my closet which is insanely from high school. Like, I don't think the same as when I was in high school. I don't dress the same as when I was in high school. I probably can't even fit a lot of the stuff that I wore in high school. Perfect example, skinny jeans. I can't think of the last time that I wore a pair of skinny jeans. Honestly, it was probably like before I even moved out to California. Do I wear straight legs? Absolutely. Wide legs are my favorite. I like barrel jeans, but when's the last time that I actually wore skinny jeans? So that is a bit of a microcosm to a bigger problem, which is that I have intentionally or unintentionally held on to so many things in my wardrobe that really just no longer serve me or serve the woman that I've evolved into, and it's time to declutter them. Bonus points if I can give them to somebody that's in need or somebody that could just benefit from having them, like point blank, period. So I feel like my closet is the one thing that I haven't started to declutter, and is probably the thing that brings me the most anxiety to think about even starting, because I know there's so many things in there that I need to go ahead and get rid of. But on the other hand, I know because I've stalled on doing it for so long, and this has honestly been years in the making, something that I've said that I'm gonna do over and over and over again, that I never actually prioritized doing. Because it's taken me so long to start, I know I'm gonna get so much satisfaction and gratification out of finally doing it. So I say all that to say I'll try and do it next weekend. I'm gonna work on it next weekend for real, because I want to finish up the last of the laundry so that I can include that and do it at the same time. That way It's not like I declutter my whole closet, but I still have a laundry room full of stuff. But this is just like the inner workings of my brain. And honestly, I'll probably bring you around along with me so that we can body double, because that seems to make everything a little bit better. I don't know if I'm feeling like a liquid bronzer today. I'm honestly kind of satisfied with just like this really bright look. I think I'm just gonna go with this. There's something like very youthful about it. I think I'm gonna just do this. On a brighter note though, the things that I have gotten rid of, like I said earlier, a ton of makeup. I already went through all of my perfumes, got rid of a ton of those and packed up what I wanted to keep. I still need to go through like my hair care products, probably my nail related stuff, because some of this is probably expired and honestly I just don't really wear it that much. So maybe I can find a way to donate a lot of that. And I need to go through like my shoes and accessories and stuff. Pretty sure I need to go through my jewelry too now that I'm thinking about it, because it's sitting right here on this vanity. It's like the last thing, if you could see my vanity setup, it's the last thing that is sitting here. Everything else has already been packed up. So that's probably a good project for today, because it's not too much where it gets overwhelming. So I'll probably do that after I'm done filming here. I really need to actually do my eyebrows. Like at some point we're gonna have to stop just making them thicker every time I do them and actually groom them. And that point is not today, because today we have other priorities. For one, I need to go ahead and do this packing, but two, I really need to do my nails and my toes for that matter, because it's getting pretty ridiculous out here. Outside of packing, I am ridiculously excited for this summer, ridiculously excited for this move. I'm just excited for a fresh start. That's one of my favorite things about my job, is that every couple of years you get to pick up and move and try something new. And I love that, because it never feels like you're suffocating or like you're stagnant in any one location, because you know at some point you're gonna leave. So that's the most exciting part for me, especially because this assignment has been just a little bit stressful. Don't get me wrong, I've enjoyed it and I've definitely learned a lot, but it has also been really stressful. And I'm not naive enough to think that the next one won't be. However, I know that this move is going to give me an opportunity to reset, refresh, take a break, and go into the other one, hopefully feeling rejuvenated and recharged. So that is what I'm the most excited about. Also, I generally enjoy traveling. Like the actual act of traveling is fun to me. So I'm excited to do some of that in the meantime. All right. Judgment-free zone, because we're packing. This is one of the only mugs that I have on hand. Is it April? Yes. Yes, it is. My wife makes the best chai. All right, so I actually really like this. I actually really like this foundation stick. I haven't used it since last spring, but it's like perfect right now. I don't know if it's the difference in technique that I use, but it worked this time. Which reminds me, I'm on the hunt for another setting spray. So if you have one that works really well for you, let me know what that is in the comment section below. Right now I have my eyes on the one size one, specifically because it's for like hot environments and desert, of course. But if there's another one that you recommend, let me know. I think I'm gonna go on with two glosses. The first one is this just pretty pink NYX gloss. It's about the same color as the other lipstick I just applied. And just blend that in a little bit. And then the other one is this really pretty sparkly pink one that I've been loving lately. It's super glittery, but it's also really pretty and sheer. Okay, one other thing. I've been really liking that like very glowy, dewy look. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of body highlighter. Let's see. To give me that really glowy look. Do I have anywhere to go? Not really. But I just don't think it's a bad thing to glow, you know? Even if you're in the house. I love that. Like, look at that. This arm versus this arm. This arm versus this arm. I don't know if I'm doing a great job of showing it. Let's try this again. So you see this side, sheen, and then this side. Okay. Really like this. I mainly like the brush though, if I'm being honest. The brush is probably my favorite part. Because then you don't have to worry about getting your hands dirty. Really like that. And for my fragrance of the day, I'm gonna use Marc Jacob Daisy Wild. Such a good scent. I love that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please stay on this journey with me as we navigate this cross-country move. It's coming up quicker than I thought, and I would love to take you guys along with me on the journey. See you next time.